Got to have a look at this Briggs and Stratton. I picked this up, this masport, from a scrapper, a street scrapper. He knows nothing about it, I know nothing about it. All I can tell you is I've looked at the sticker, and it's a 2010 masport 500 series motor. So yeah, it's 420, whatever that is. Anyway, I just thought we'd have a look at it together if anyone's interested. Let's see what the problem is with it. So, oil's way over full. It's up on the U for full. It was up here. It's supposed to be down there. Anyway, it's got oil, fuel tank. Fuel tank. I can't see anything in there, but anyway, it's full of mud and stuff, so it's been well loved. Anyway, give it a pull over and see what it sounds like. Kind of feels like it might have compression, but I don't know. I'll take the spark plug out, have a look. The sparky out. I don't know. Looks a bit oily, a bit fuely. Yeah, it's definitely full of fuel. Didn't really see anything coming out. I'll find my spark jumper and we'll check for. I'm going to check it, give it a pull. It's definitely got spark. Right. Try and drop a squirt of fuel down it. See what it does. Look at it. Why not? Right, press some fuel down the carby. Right, stand back and hold on to your hats and see what happens. Not going to happen. To me it sounds like it's got a drop valve or something. Compression or something or other's not right. Might pull the flywheel off maybe and just check the key. Yeah, it doesn't have any blades or anything on it. Sounds weird. It's like it's putting compression out through the carby, so I might just start pulling it apart and see what's going on. So I've got the flywheel off and the keyway out. The keyway's fine. It hasn't hit anything and damaged keyway and flywheel. That's still intact and is all good. So I might just keep on going and quickly rip the head off and just have a look. I don't know what else it could be. Yummy. That came out of the cylinder. I think we all might be able to agree that this thing's probably cactus. No idea. Yeah, it's a hefty, pretty hefty gouge in there. You guys probably can't see it, but I've turned you to the sun. And there's, I don't know if you can see it, but some fairly nice gouges on there in that cylinder. And it's, I don't know, it looks like it's got oil in it. I don't know. Not sure, I might pull the manifold off and put some petrol in the inlet valve and through here and see if it leaks out of there. Yeah, I am getting a bit of weeping out from around the bottom, but I don't think it's enough to getting more out of. Look at the one of the pistons, oil or something, oil leaking out of there. I might drain some of that out as well and see if that stops as well, but if you watch, it does start to weep out, but I don't think it's enough to cause a compression issue. Not like that.